to the practice problems video on the cross product. Alright, so this first question is asking us to calculate the 3 by 3 determinant. So this is just a basic computation. We're just going to practice working through how to compute the determinant. Okay, so the first step is we always circle the top left number and we write that down, okay? And then we're going to mark through everything that is horizontally in line with and vertically in line with the number we just circled. So what we're left with unmarked is negative 3, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so that forms our 2 by 2 minor. So the next thing we're going to do is write down this kind of elusive negative sign there. I think that one of the hardest parts is just remembering that negative sign for our alternating signs, right? Okay, so then the next thing we're going to do is circle the next number to the right of our first circled number, and we're going to cross out everything in line with it. So we're going to write down that 2 there. That's a positive 2, okay? But this negative sign comes from the formula. And then anything that we didn't just mark goes in our next 2 by 2. So that would be 4 and 1 on the left side there, and 0 and 1 on the right side. And then for the last term, we're going to write a plus sign, again alternating signs. We're going to circle that last number on the top row, mark through everything that we see in line with it, and we're left with this minor down here. So that's going to be a 1 in front and a 4, 1, negative 3, 0. Okay? So that's how we set it up. And now we're going to go through again and kind of simplify these 2 by 2 determinants. So we have a 1 times what? We're going to find the product of negative 3 and 1. So that's just a negative 3 minus 0. Okay? And then we have a negative 2. And for the 2 by 2 here, we have a 4. 4 times 1 minus 0 times 1, so that's just a 0. And for the last one, we have a 1 times what? 0 minus a negative 3. Okay? So if we continue simplifying, these zeros here, those ones cancel out. We don't have a 0 here. Okay, so we have negative 3, and then minus 2 times 4, so that'd be minus an 8. And then we have plus a 3. So plus a 3, so these ones cancel out. And our final answer is going to be negative 8.